Peach and Mario sure have been spending a lot of time together.
Ha! You're jealous! Listen up, Greenie. Let's make a truce. I get Peach, and you get your dear old brother back. What do you say?
Let's do it.
Really? No, right. This is our plan. First, you release my troops and hide them somewhere in the outskirts of the kingdom. Then you come back to get me out of this little cage and carry me inside your pocket. We arrive to your house and you throw me to the wall. Huh?
I got you so bad. I'm not jealous, dummy.
You butthead!
It was kind of at first, obviously, but that's way behind me now. I'm really happy for them. Of course, I feel somewhat lonely, but I've got you. You're quite a nice company.
Shut it, idiot!